Good morning, everybody, and happy TGIF. It's irrigation day out at Mom's. I'm here to pick up Grandma. The boys used to love running through that. Here's a better look at it. It's flooded. This is how they water this property. I was looking for you and you were sneaking. You snuck behind me.
I know, but where were you?
I was playing in the water.
Yeah, I gotta take a picture of this. This is that.
Took Grandma to Rise and Shine. So cute, they wear pajamas here. This place is really cute. Did you see the umbrellas? Did you see the umbrellas? So cute.
Butter bread?
No, it's called pot of bread. And this is like icing, the same kind of icing that you put on top of a Cinnabon. And then you put it in there, and it just gets gooier the further down you go. So good. We both got steak and egg. Here's ketchup, Grandma.
I need a little bit of
Tabasco, Cholula, Chipotle, any of these?
salt. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, it's like a wall, I can't even see you. Pepper. It is a new way of shopping.
What is this?
This is a light.
Well, I take it, yeah.
Yeah.
Where would you put it?
In your house?
Outside?
No.
Outside. Inside?
Yeah, inside. In your house, like in the den or something.
Dishes?
Yeah.
Towels?
Yeah. This is like a cloud-like light. Isn't that cool? Looks like a cloud.
Did you push it
Yeah,
now?
I pushed it.
So I'm taking pictures
It's
now.
a video, yeah.
All right.
So I was just gonna show everybody this light. I think it's so cool.
Wow.
Isn't it so cool?
Yes, it is.
I'm gonna open it back up because it's cooler. There you go. Yeah, I like that light a lot. It's only 80 bucks.
Ah, neat. Okay.
Okay.
There you go.
I like this bed for Jameson. I probably wouldn't get the mattress. It's probably not that soft. Oh yeah, it's not like that soft, but I like the bed itself. Yeah, these are drawers, Grandma. See?
Does it have a drawer on both sides?
Yeah, there's one right there.
No,
There's
I mean
just a
on
chair.
the other side.
Oh no, see, it goes like
Oh, it goes
a
all the way
line.
back?
Yeah, it's just one
It's
sided.
that deep?
Oh, I don't know. I don't think it's it's not that deep.
Well,
This is as far as it goes. So it probably ends like right in the middle right here. At this rate, it's gonna take us an hour to get through. Grandma, she just keeps stopping to look around. Like that. Yep. There she is. I'm gonna walk into Grandma. Just saying hi to everybody passing by. It looks like Beauty and the Beast. Yeah, this is the kid part. Yep, you can tell where we're going. It's fun in here. It's my favorite part. Oh, see, Grandma, like we have this. This is what we have for the top of our dresser.
a glass plate?
Yeah. I still love it. It's 119 though. Very pretty. Yeah, it looks so good in our house. It'd be like a centerpiece almost.
Yeah.
I love it.
120 bucks? That's
Yeah.
not bad.
It's not bad for a piece that big. Oh, you have to put it together yourself. So, big warehouse though. So what do you think of your first IKEA experience?
I'm getting tired. Okay, see you later.
Oh gosh. So tonight I am drawing brows and lips on my grandma and mom, and we are having a slumber party, huh? You're gonna be so beautiful when I get done with you. Oh goody.
You're wonderful.
Cheer it again.
You're a wonderful
Cheers.
weekend.
Limoncello. Oh. Whew. I did a really small. I did a tiny sip, Grandma. Mom, you should have warned her.
I did.
Not really.
I told her it was lemon and liquor.
There's the after. Should no shape. Put a little shape in there, huh? That's the lightest color I have, Grammy. I don't have one darker than or lighter than that. That's platinum blonde.
That's plenty.
Make sure you can see, Mom. So this is the way that you measure your eyebrow. Is you go from the inside of your nose and you go up.
Straight up.
Yep, and mark it. And then you go to the outer corner. Just look straight up, straight at me. You go to the outer corner of your iris, which is that black part in your eye.
I look straight at you
Yes.
when you're looking at her. That
Okay.
doesn't look good.
And then, so,
Mark there.
yeah, mark there. That's where your arch should go.
Okay.
I did the wrong one at the first time.
And then you go.
And then you go to the corner. Do the slant. See? So you slant from her nose. Stop. And you go to the corner of your eye.
Okay.
So if she stops moving, I can do it
Well, if
accurately.
you'd stop sticking your finger in my mouth, I could stop moving.
Well, quit talking. So that's how it's
how you
supposed to be.
measure it.
Yeah. So then
And
her
that's the
arch will
arch.
be right here, and then you would end right here, but you never go lower than the beginning.
Then the what?
The beginning.
Oh.
So you wouldn't drag this down to that level. You would put it probably right about here because you don't want to go lower than. Mom, you don't want to go lower than the start.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
So thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning. We're going hiking. I'm going hiking with Dad this morning. Minnie's so funny. I'm exhausted. We're all exhausted.
Yeah.
Where's Chloe? We did good. We were out there for probably about an hour or two. An hour and a half, 2 hours. But it was, I mean, it's in the 80s. So going up and down the hills. Woo! Oh, I pushed. What was that, Grandma?
Yep.
What would you say?
So fun
It's so fun, what?
being with you.
Aw, thanks.
You're welcome.
Uh-oh.
Here it comes.
She found a ball. Here we go.
No, you want me to throw it from the side? Ouch, you want me to throw it from the side? Is that what you say, where you jump in for it? If I do that? Okay. See if you're gonna do it. My butt's all wet. Okay. Jenna, go.
There she goes.
Good
She just likes to
girl.
jump in from the side. Uh-oh. Went underwater. It's right there, Jenna.
Behind
She
ya.
lost the ball.
It's gonna float up.
She knocked them off. Whoa!
Jenna, right there.
There you go.
Now you got it.
Good girl.
Good.
Don't shake
girl.
up on me. I'm drenched. I'm drenched. Woo. You got wet too, huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
Finally got our new mattress in. So exciting. We've had our last one for 10 years. 8 to 10 years. I don't know. It's a Beauty Rest Recharge. Do you like it, Grammy?
Yes, I do.
They just threw the other one over the ledge. They're like,
This
bloop.
is going to make a big difference in this room, isn't it?
Uh-huh. And then that's our new dresser. But we have a bunch of stuff because, you know, we had to move everything.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
hi, bestie. I'm watching your video like a creeper. I love that mug that you got from the studios, the Walt Disney Studios. I'm gonna copy. I want to get that one. How can I get it without going to the studio? Sushi again. Your door's open. Sushi, sushi on a Sunday night. Sushi, sushi. With my sushi partner. I'm trying out new sunglasses because my expensive ones are broken already. Well, it's not that they're broken. It's just when you know, they get too wide and then like one size lifted up. Which ones?
This one. Try this one.
Yeah, I have these, or used to have these. Yeah.
So you still didn't do your 3 things.
3 things.
Yeah.
I like my lips.
Did you ever watch that little girl where she's like, I love my hair?
I look like crap too, but let's close out the video.
Go ahead.
Alright guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Oh, you're already waving. And I'll talk to you guys later.